In today's digital era, having an online presence is crucial for businesses and individuals alike. WordPress, being the most popular content management system, CMS, offers a user-friendly platform for creating and managing content. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the essential strategies for effective content creation and management on WordPress in 2024. Before diving into content creation, it is vital to understand your objectives and identify your target audience. This will help you tailor your content to meet their needs and preferences, ensuring better engagement and conversion rates. Create a content calendar to organize and schedule your posts. This will help you maintain consistency and stay on track with your content strategy. Consider incorporating various content formats such as blog posts, videos, podcasts, and infographics to cater to different user preferences. To enhance your website's visibility on search engines, focus on optimizing your content with relevant keywords, meta descriptions, and titles. Additionally, ensure your website is mobile-friendly and has a fast loading speed, as these factors impact your search engine rankings. Create high-quality, informative, and engaging content that resonates with your target audience. Conduct thorough research to provide accurate information and incorporate visuals, such as images and videos, to enhance user experience. Promote your content across various social media platforms and through email marketing campaigns. This will help expand your reach and drive more traffic to your website. Encourage user engagement by responding to comments and feedback. This fosters a sense of community and helps build trust and loyalty among your audience. Regularly track your website's performance using analytics tools to understand user behavior and content effectiveness. This data will help you make informed decisions and improve your content strategy. Stay updated on WordPress updates, security measures, and emerging trends to ensure your website remains secure and up to date. By following these step-by-step strategies, you can effectively create and manage content on WordPress in 2024. Remember to stay consistent, adapt to changing trends, and prioritize user engagement to achieve success in the digital landscape.